សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះម៉ូតូ Honda scoopi ស៊េរីឆ្នាំ2021គេហៅប្រភេទ Special Edition បានមកដល់ទៀតហើយទៅហាង Cambodia ម៉ូតូ3 rental ហើយបើសិនបងប្អូនមានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍មានតម្រូវការចង់ជួលសម្រាប់ការជិះទៅធ្វើការឬក៏ដំណើរកម្សាន្តជិះឆ្ងាយអីសូមអញ្ជើញមកហាង Cambodia ម៉ូតូ3 rental ហើយចង់បញ្ជាក់ប្រាប់បងប្អូនថាម៉ូតូនេះប្រហែលជាមិនអាចនៅយូរទេព្រោះដោយសារវាថ្មីដែរហើយវាខ្ជូតអញ្ចឹងប្រហែលជាអាចមានអ្នកមានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍ច្រើនអញ្ចឹងស្រូបឡើងបងប្អូនដែលមានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍ចង់បានម៉ូតូជិះសម្រាប់ទៅធ្វើការចាំថ្ងៃចាំខែអីសូមអញ្ជើញមកហាង Cambodia ម៉ូតូ3 rental. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new stock available Honda scoopi black color special edition years 2021, and this is very beautiful. And if ladies and gentlemen need for your commute to work, somewhere else that you need to travel, that come to Cambodia with a rental, I'm not guarantee this one is to stay for a long time because this is very beautiful. And then I think there will be a lot of people they are waiting, and if you are needed for your monthly or daily commute to work or traveling to anywhere, please come to Cambodia Motorbike Rental. We are ready to show you. This is very beautiful, and trust me, this is very perfect. The engine is smooth, and I think not much in Cambodia because this is a special edition, very limited. That come to Cambodia Motorbike Rental for checking, and if you guys need it, okay, let come and we can offer a special for the money. Thank you.